Welcome to the Economic Indicator Brief, brought to you by the Statistics Department of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka.
Let's begin with the real sector indicators. The Colombo Consumer Price Index indicated a further easing of inflation in July 2025, recording a marginal year-on-year deflation of 0.3% compared to that of 0.6% in July 2025. Further, core inflation, which reflects the underlying inflation trends in the economy, increased marginally to 1.6% in July 2025 from 1.5% in the previous month. Meanwhile, the manufacturing, services and construction activities demonstrated a continuous improvements in June 2025 as indicated by their corresponding purchasing managers indices. Moving on to the monetary sector indicators, the Monetary Policy Board decided to maintain overnight policy rate (OPR) at the prevailing level of 7.75% in its meeting held in July. As such, the average weighted call money rate was recorded 7.84% as of 1st August 2025. Meanwhile, the total outstanding market liquidity reported a surplus of 76.29 billion rupees as of 1st August 2025, indicating continued excess liquidity conditions in the market. The latest developments in the external sector reaffirms its resilience amidst global uncertainties. Accordingly, the earnings from merchandise exports during the first half of 2025 increased by 5.7% amidst 12.4% rise in the expenditure on merchandise imports compared to the same period of last year. Meanwhile, the gross official reserves were provisionally estimated at $6.1 billion as at end June 2025. During the year up to 1st August 2025, the Sri Lankan rupee depreciated by 3.2% against the US dollar. The workers' remittances continued to record a robust performance in June 2025, recording $636 million, offsetting the widening trade deficit. Moreover, the earnings from tourism amounted to $170 million in June 2025, bringing the total tourism earnings during the first half of the year to surpass $1.5 billion. On the fiscal front, government revenue and grants increased to 1,942 billion rupees during the first 5 months of 2025, while total expenditure and net lending rose to 2,179 billion rupees compared to the same period of the last year. Meanwhile, the outstanding central government debt increased to 29,253 billion rupees by end March 2025 from 28,739 billion rupees as at end 2024. This brings us to the end of briefing on key economic indicators as of 1st August 2025. Thank you very much for joining us.
For more information, please refer to our weekly and monthly economic indicators on CBSL website.